Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport. Now, this car is a real 11837 VIN code Super Sport V8. It is a 327 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This car has been completely restored. It was a rotisserie restoration. The gentleman owned this car for around 25 or 30 years. He ran a body shop and he restored this car himself. Very, very high quality car. The paint and body on this car are excellent. I just love this car. You can look down the sides of it. You can see how straight this car is. See how beautiful the paint is, the body, the chrome bumpers, the tail lights. If you see any little black specks, they're probably these little pesky, I don't know if they're gnats or just some kind of bugs. They've been real thick today. Done a video earlier and they're all over the car. I had to wipe it down first. Rally wheels with caps and rings. BF Goodrich radial TA, raised white letter tires, Muncie 4-speed transmission. You can really see the quality of this car. The hood gaps are nice, your door gaps are nice. Interior in this car is beautiful. Blue interior. Now you will notice the hole in the dash where the radio goes. Yes, the radio is here. It's in the box. I ordered a brand new one. We just have not got it installed yet. Need a few more people in the shop. Anybody looking for a job in this area, give us a call. 563-452-2450. Looking for mechanics, looking for sales guys, looking for just all kinds of office help. Beautiful new seat covers, new carpet, new dash pad, new door panels, new headliner, new sun visors. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. The glass in this car is in great shape. The stainless trim and Brightwork's in really good shape. It's got a small little ding in the little trim there. I'm sure you can probably, a few little imperfections here on this wing window trim. A lot of those parts are really hard to get when you're restoring a car, so some of them may have been reused. New chrome bumpers, new grille, it looks like, all new emblems, new mirror, door handles. I don't think the door handles are actually new, but they look good. Super, super nice car. The underside of this car is amazing. I took pictures of it. They will be listed here on my website shortly. Inside the trunk's all done. Antenna for the radio. Show you underneath the hood, and then we'll start her up. Beautiful engine compartment. Engine was all rebuilt. The transmission, the rear end. The gentleman said everything was gone through on this car. Very nicely detailed engine compartment. Just a gorgeous little car. Does have a Holley 4-barrel carburetor on it. Your door jambs are in great shape. Just a really nicely restored car. So, the gas gauge works, the speedometer works. Does have a couple of aftermarket gauges mounted down here by the underneath the dash. Water temp and oil pressure. The e-brake work. wipers work. We'll get out and we'll look at the lights. License plate light, tail lights, left turn signal. Car sounds great too. Beautiful 66 Chevrolet Nova, finished in Marina Blue. Blue interior, 327, 4-speed. Your left signal on both your headlights. Turn the other signal on, might as well show you that too while we're at it. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory. So give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful 66 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. We stock 150 collector cars, plus some regular inventory as well, late model pickup trucks. I try to tell you everything I know about these cars. You know, 75% of our customers never come here to see the cars. They rely solely on our videos, pictures, and descriptions of these cars to make a decision on whether to purchase them or not. So that's why I go around and I show you the things on the car. Whether it be good or bad, I try to show you everything. We buy a lot of really, really high-end quality inventory. All my cars, I try to buy quality inventory. You can't sell the best unless you buy the best. So that's my philosophy. You can look down the sides of this beautiful car though and just check out the paint. You see all the traffic going by. The car is gorgeous. Let's take this thing down the road for a little bit here. Take her for a little short cruise. Back down to the dealership. Windshield's nice and clear. Shut the lights off. Probably don't need them on right now. I guess it'd help if I turn the e-brake off. Sorry about that. I don't have any helpers with me today, so very rarely do I get any helpers. Tough to steer or shift, run the camera at the same time. Transmission shifts smooth. I know you probably just heard me grind the gear there. I didn't have the clutch down all the way and trying to hold my phone and shift it. So this is a really, really nice car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com. And please follow us on our YouTube channel, be a subscriber. That way you never miss another quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.